Hey guys, welcome to another video by Novatech. Today we've got the latest iPad Air, the 4th generation 2020 model. This is the 64 GB Wi-Fi only version, and it's the green color. So let's see what we get in the box, and let's do a quick setup. This is the iPad, nice green color. Let's keep this to a side right now. Some Apple documents, and some more documents and some stickers, at least two stickers here. You got your Apple power brick. This is you think an 18 or a 20 watt Apple brick fast charger. Let me set it up real quick. This is the Touch ID sensor. This is where you got it, to place your finger a couple of times. I'm not gonna enter the Apple ID settings and all that. I'll do that later. Alright, so here we have it all set up and ready. These apps are going to download it and take some time to get ready. Almost as good as the previous generation iPad Pro. Quad speakers, a good retina display, USB Type-C port, single good camera at the back, but it's got a better chip compared to the previous generation iPad Pro for faster performance. Quite a good package, I would say. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the content we make. Do subscribe to our channel. Bye.